Hello guys, this is my YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, comment and don't forget to press the bell icon for new updates, okay? Thank you.
Rollover image, to zoom in waterproof Bluetooth speaker, Tronsmart T6 Plus outdoor speakers with 40 watts stereo sound, true, wireless stereo pairing, tri-bass effects, 15H playtime, IPX6 waterproof, micro SD/TF card, built-in mic, color, black connectivity, technology wireless, Bluetooth, speaker type surround sound, outdoor brand Tronsmart recommended, uses for product for surround sound systems. JBL Clip 4, portable speaker with Bluetooth, built-in battery, waterproof and dustproof feature, black, JBL Clip 4 Bluecom, connectivity, technology Bluetooth, speaker type portable Bluetooth, speakers brand JBL model name, JBL Clip 4, black recommended, uses for product for smartphones or tablets. JBL Pro sound, delivers surprisingly rich audio and punchy bass from Clip 4's compact size. JBL Clip 4's ultra portable design goes great with the latest styles, and its colorful fabrics and expressive details. Ultimate Ears, Megaboom 3 portable, wireless Bluetooth speaker, powerful sound plus thundering bass, Bluetooth, magic button, waterproof, battery 20 hours, night black, connectivity technology, wireless speaker type outdoor, brand Ultimate Ears model name Megaboom 3 portable, Bluetooth speaker special feature 360 degrees sound, up to 20 hours of playback, 2x 2 inches drivers and 4 ohms full range driver sound. Megaboom features powerfully loud, clear, and immersive 300.
Emberton is loud and packs a hard-hitting, heavyweight sound only Marshall can deliver. Utilizing a unique stereophonic sound construction, Emberton produces a sound larger than its size, filling any space, indoors or out, with rich multi-directional audio. Custom-tuned drivers enhance the 360 sound by producing clear mid-range, deep bass and extended highs, immersing you in your music. Rich, loud and clear, just as the artist intended. Emberton offers 20+ hours of portable playtime on a single charge. With quick charge capabilities, Emberton needs only 20 minutes of charge to give 5 hours of playtime. Perfect for when you need to pick up and leave at a moment's notice. This speaker is tough and resilient. Weighing just under 700 grams, Emberton's compact size, silicone exterior and solid metal grille make it extremely rugged and durable. Perfect for life on the road. An IPX7 water-resistant rating has you covered for downpours, showers or even submersion in water, so you don't have to worry about taking Emberton to the party by the pool. With its multi-directional control knob, Emberton is simple and easy to use. You can play, pause, skip tracks and adjust the volume of your speaker, as well as turn it on and off. Emberton comes equipped with Bluetooth 5.0 technology for simple connectivity, exceptional audio quality and wireless music play. Play music from any Bluetooth device within a 10-meter range of your speaker. Emberton combines contemporary technology with iconic Marshall design to deliver hard-hitting sound while retaining a classic look. Signature details such as a microphone-inspired metal grille and iconic Marshall script adorn the front of the speaker, echoing the legacy of rock and roll. Emberton, iconic Marshall sound that packs a punch.
Sony XB13 Extra, base portable IP67 waterproof/dustproof wireless, speaker with Knox Gear hard shell case bundle, 2 items, connectivity, technology Bluetooth, USB brand Sony audio output mode, stereo color black item dimensions LXWXH 8.3 by 6.3 by 4.7 inches, bundle includes, Sony XB13 Extra, base portable IP67 waterproof/dustproof wireless speaker and Knox Gear hard shell case USB Type-C port. The USB Type-C port provides convenient connectivity, waterproof and dustproof with an IP67 rating and new UV coating for extra durability in the elements. You can take your speaker to the pool, the forest.
Hello guys, this is my YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, comment and don't forget to press the bell icon for new updates, okay? Thank you.
Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon.